So I don't have to yell so much. We've been digging on this site now, good to see you, for 6 months. And you have chosen the best day for your tour. The reason being is today we found some artifacts dating all the way back to the golden age of pirates. And we're excited to show that to you today. So what's going to happen is you're going to go down our lift 450 feet to an active mine site. And there you're going to meet some of our miners, and you're going to see some of these artifacts that we found. We're just waiting on this light. Well, we're all ready. Enjoy your tour, folks. Enjoy your tour.
Welcome to Larson & Son Mining Company. Please make your way this way and board our elevator. Going to an active excavation site 150 feet down below the Earth's surface. Because this elevator is over 100 years old, please distribute your weight evenly throughout the elevator. And the people down below, they haven't seen the light of day in about 3 months, so please be careful with those guys, alright? Enjoy the ride.
Okay folks, this here is shaft number 1 and we're taking you down 450 feet to one of our active mines. You've no idea of how deep you're going to go. The sea level is armed with a red lantern. When you're at that red lantern, you've just completed the ocean floor. When the elevator stops at level 13, Mark and John will lead you to the main excavation room for a demonstration of our equipment. Since our tours are seasonal, we do rely on tips to keep us running, so feel free to donate at the end of your tour today. And I've just got word that some of our miners found a large artifact, and your group may be the first ones to see it. This part starts to get a little rough, so I suggest you hold on to them handlebars, folks.
This way, please. Mining tours, right through the curtains.
Oh gosh, you guys startled me. Yeah, come on up. Yeah, the elevator guy was supposed to tell me you guys were coming down. Yeah, come on right up here. Yeah, thanks guys. Alright. Right up here on the observation.
What the sound the hell's going on down there? Who are these people?
Oh, hey, John, no, it's the mining tour.
Mining tour? They're not supposed to come down this deep, buddy.
Yeah, come on guys, come on.
We gotta send these people back. They got no business being down there.
No, you guys are right where you're supposed to be. Yep. What the hell?
Hey guys, this way.
Yeah, Larson & Son mining tour thing. Yeah, we found this treasure chest. We were selling tickets, and now
Thank you for stopping by, folks, but it's time to go. Have a nice night. All the way down to the right, and make sure you follow the trail. Okay.
John, what, are you trying to get him out of here?
It's the same thing to do. You want to keep them down here with this cursed trash?
Well, you guys paid a lot of money to get on this tour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real expensive to come down here. And so they want to get the money's worth. What the curse are we talking about?
Okay, John, we decided to watch the opening from here. You have to go ahead and open the chest.
We got to open it.
Last chance to leave. What's going going on, but yo, you all right, buddy? Oh! I'm sorry about that. Oh, Jesus Christ! Let's go, come on! Let's go! All the way down the road, let's go, come on! Kick your legs, let's go! Come on, come on, come on! Let's go, come on, come on! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Hurry up! What are you waiting for? Come on!
I summon the Kraken that destroyed my ship.